Starting around 13 September 2023, Dogecoin is exchanging at $0.061 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.27% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Doge in a real sense has a kind of all-out market cap of $8,616,520,232, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $201,607,732. Beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. This sort of makes Dogecoin, Doge, truly positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market in a kind of large manner. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogecoin for the most part be worth in 2023? Really, in spite of mainstream thinking, is Dogecoin a wise venture or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Doge cost basically outperform its record-breaking high, which for the most part is genuinely huge? These truly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, exhibiting how certainly is Dogecoin a truly wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $0.093, the normal kind of least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to in a real sense be $0.089, or so they sort of thought. Additionally, Doge can by and large arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.098, showing how in the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin sort of be, for the most part worth in 2023, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin truly is supposed to basically be at around and in every way that really matters, least of $0.072. Dogecoin cost can in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.082, with the very normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin especially is generally anticipated to sort of reach at a kind of least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, or so they especially thought. The Doge cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.085, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023 in a by and large significant manner. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, or so they really thought. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.086, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin basically is by and large anticipated to in every practical sense reach at a for the most part least worth of $0.086 in November 2023. Exceptionally further appearance how additionally Doge can fundamentally arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.098, showing how on the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every way that really matters is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogecoin in every way that really matters be essentially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Doge cost could generally arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $0.093, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023 in a very significant manner. Dogecoin value forecast December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin especially is by and large anticipated to truly reach at an especially least worth of $0.089 in December 2023, exhibiting that Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to essentially reach at a really least worth of $0.089 in December 2023 in an unpretentious way. The Doge cost could for the most part arrive at and in every way that really matters greatest worth of $0.098, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin sort of past value examination and the beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been basically diminished by 0.66% in its genuinely current worth, showing how might Doge cost basically outperform its unequaled high, or so they explicitly thought. Assuming that we truly look at the sort of current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin for the most part is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with in every practical sense. Other crypto coins, essentially further appearance, how Dogecoin cost can explicitly arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.082, with the typical cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, or so they explicitly thought. The Doge certainly is down to nearly 4.18% in the kind of most recent 7 days, so Doge for the most part has a by and large all-out market cap of $8,616,520,232, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $201,607,732 in an unobtrusive manner. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for kind of past not many days. The coin could in a real sense have serious areas of strength for genuinely in any case. We don't especially feel that it could a productive resource in kind of present moment, showing how Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin sort of is in every way that really matters, anticipated to truly reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.086 in November 2023. Exceptionally further appearance how additionally Doge can truly arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.098, showing how assuming that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogecoin certainly be by and large worth in 2023? Inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge diminished by 35.635%. Wiping out an incredible especially normal amount of $0.034 from its genuinely current worth in a by and large significant manner. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a by and large great basically purchase a valuable open door for sort of speedy interest in a truly significant manner. The 90 days cost change basically is near 29.24%. And the cost really circled from an especially least certainly normal cost of $0.085 to pretty greatest truly normal cost of $0.088 in the in every practical sense recent days, so Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin basically is certainly anticipated to all things considered reach at a sort of least worth of $0.089 in December 2023, exhibiting that Dogecoin value expectation